What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another long form video. Today we're down at this lake right here, place my grandparents live. Super cool. We have not done a long form here for a long time. We've done a couple live streams. My most popular live stream we did here. We're gonna try to catch some bass today. We're gonna take out the inflatable canoe since the boat isn't really running right. So once the boat gets fixed, we should probably take it out sometime and make a video. But we're gonna go out here. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on, and we're just gonna try and catch as many bass as we can. And yeah, hopefully slam today. And I will see you guys when we get the boat on the water. All right, guys. Today's sponsor is PC Fun. If you guys don't know who they are, they have like 500,000 followers over their platforms. They're a super big fishing company. They got some really cool products. I mean, I've been partnered with them for almost a year now, but we got another video for you guys. And today they sent me a backpack, so it's pretty cool, like fishing backpack. It's pretty sweet, so I'm gonna show you guys it like right now. All right, guys, so this is the PC Fun backpack right here. It's a pretty sweet backpack. You got the PC Fun logo right there, and sunglass holder. Literally everything we need is in this backpack. I got my GoPro on this top thing. I also have this thing for whenever I see a subscriber. I got jigs and stuff, stickers and stuff in the top. And this is my new backpack. This isn't just, they sent me this out and I'm using it for today. I'm gonna be using this backpack every day. So I open up this little guy right here, and I got 3 of my boxes in here, and I'm gonna take that on the water with me today. And I got a scale. I have everything I need in this backpack, and I'm really excited to use it today. And yeah, thank you PC Fun for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to pick up anything from peacefun.com, help the channel out, use code RR18, save some money, and help me out. So let's get on the water and catch some fish. Actually, we'll just go like this. It'll just be nice for, just kind of nice to not have wet feet. Not you specifically, but like.
Here, get in and I'll get in off the dock.
I'm trying to lose a phone today. Do you want to just skip this so that we don't have to paddle up it? Okay. This one. Someone's calling me? Hello? What's up?
What you doing?
I'm fishing right now. Finally. It's actually not bad. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I'm coming around right side. Oh, jeez. Dang, bro's tugging. Coming up. There's a spot? Come on. Come on. Come here. Oh. Here. Yes. Let's go. Let's turn it on here. There we go. Barely hooked too. Jeez. First fish of the day. I know. Dude, they fight in here, I'm telling you. On the ripping rods.
Yeah, baby.
Black and blue jig. Am I recording? Did I stop recording? Oh, it is. Okay. On the ripping rods, black and blue jig. Slammed it. Alright guys, first fish of the day. Nice one. Ripping rods, black and blue jig. Barely hooked, but got her in. Let's get her back. Probably like a 2.5, 3 pounder maybe. I don't know. Yeah.
And it's for the wrong reasons, right? Like, oh, there's a fire
Where?
right there. That's what the plane's flying for.
Oh. Dang, that's close. Do you see it? Because you can see the smoke moving.
I gotta. Oh, that's a structured fire. Barracks Drive in Penn Valley. Dude, it's right there.
Oh my.
Like a highway.
Uh-huh.
Good thing there's not a lot of wind.
There was earlier, so that's good that it's dead down. That's good that it's dead down. That's fine.
It's like this is a tanker right there, and then you have air tack up here. Let's see if I can zoom in.
Oh yeah, with the big wing in the back.
Yeah, so that's actually got a Cal Fire fire captain. And then this guy, he's getting ready to come in for a drop probably. Oh, there he is. He's circling. But so he'll fly at a certain altitude. And then, oh, there comes the wind.
Looks like they knocked it down. Maybe. Huh?
It'd be super cool to have like here.
Yeah.
A house like this.
And just like that, we're back.
It's crazy.
What?
How close you are. The accuracy is insane.
I know. Kind of just forget because I just fish so much. As soon as we're coming in. Yes. Whoa. Let's got one.
Well, how awesome would it be if you're out there and they dip right now?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know we only caught one, but we had some cool action. You can probably hear the planes right now. The planes came by and they're taking out a fire near where we were fishing, so that was pretty cool. But we only caught one. It was still a fun day on the lake. had some action, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.